Today, we're exploring a stunning architectural vision that blends modern rustic design with an organic connection to natural landscapes. This approach to design showcases homes that merge luxurious comfort with an earthy, grounded aesthetic, emphasizing raw materials, open spaces, and natural textures to create warm, welcoming environments.
Exteriors feature a harmonious mix of wood, stone, and metal, grounding the structures in their natural surroundings. Designed to complement arid landscapes and mountainous backdrops, these buildings integrate seamlessly with the environment. Large windows and expansive decks bring natural light inside and offer stunning views, allowing indoor and outdoor spaces to flow together effortlessly. This design prioritizes a strong connection to nature, achieving both seclusion and a luxurious retreat. One of the most striking aspects of this design approach is the way it enhances connection to the outdoors. Glass walls and open floor plans extend interior spaces to the landscape, allowing natural light to flood in and framing views of rugged terrain, greenery, and water features. Outdoor spaces are crafted for relaxation, featuring comfortable seating, pool areas, and spacious decks that invite residents to unwind and engage with the environment. Inside, the style remains consistent, balancing rustic charm with a refined, sophisticated touch. Materials like reclaimed wood, stone, and natural textiles dominate, bringing warmth and authenticity to the space. Wood-paneled walls, exposed ceiling beams, and stone fireplaces add texture and depth, creating cozy, inviting rooms. Living and dining areas feature plush seating, natural fiber rugs, and handcrafted wooden furniture, emphasizing simplicity and the beauty of natural imperfections. Sustainability and timeless appeal. This design approach reflects a commitment to sustainability and timeless beauty. By prioritizing natural materials that age gracefully, these homes are built to retain their charm over the years. Sustainability is further emphasized through the use of natural light, ventilation, and integration with the landscape, reducing environmental impact. These homes embody a long-lasting, eco-friendly lifestyle that celebrates the beauty of nature.